out.
Hey,
yo.
that's his wife.
Wait, that's his wife? That's his wife?
That's his wife.
Wait, how do you know that?
They just said it.
Wait, that's his wife?
Watch the footy back. They said it.
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we on another little e-bike ride out. Ooh, you see the Razor dirt bike behind me. It's about to get started, so let's get into today's video. It's gonna be a banger. We got some killers out here today. My bad.
Let that go. No.
Don't hit me, man. Let's go. You know Florida, it's rain or shine, and right now it's a little bit of rain, but we're gonna get through it. We're heading towards some light, so hopefully we can get it. Yes, sir. Let's go. You still getting used to the foot brake?
Yeah, because it's not as a lot of cushion like on a regular dirt bike.
Yeah.
You know, like how on the DRZ, it's like a small amount of cushion that you can feel.
Yeah.
Like from like compression, you don't feel none of that until you get to that point.
Okay.
So that's one thing that I'm trying to get used to. It's different from.
Yeah. Once you get used to it though, bro, it'll probably be perfect.
No, right.
I got the last bit on camera.
Damn. The whole thing was
You already know Electric Tip's got his scooter. Y'all seen the video with me riding it, test riding it. Oh, we almost had it. Boy almost had the turn. Let's go.
Yeah, you can get towed.
Yo gang, look at this BMW. He has a hitch rack like mine on it.
Right?
Yo, I like the hitch on the back, bro. Let's go. On a Beamer, bro.
The whole field.
He put it.
Hey, don't burn your bike up,
Bro, that is dope. This is the first time I've seen someone put a hitch on a Beamer like this lowered, bro. Crazy.
That's a burnt tip. That ain't electric tip.
So if y'all are wondering, yo, can I put a hitch on my BMW? As you see right here, is flipping possible. Bro, that is so dope. Let's go. Oh, watch out, car. Yo! Uh-oh, some drama, bro. Some drama, dog. Yo, look at this lady. Hey, what happened?
Hey, she trying to hit you.
Hey,
She trying to hit you.
Don't do that. Get your ass in the Buddy, stop! I will show other people. I don't care. Listen, don't do it.
don't do what?
Don't do it. Because I will call police on you right now. Don't do it.
You just attempted murder.
Don't
You know you just did attempted murder.
Yeah, there you go.
A finger attempted murder. Think about it, baby.
I'm recording it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Bro, that's cool, bro.
Go ahead, do it. What are you doing, Marty? Go ahead, do it. Come on, man. Just go. It's my bike.
yeah, of course.
Go ahead.
Hey,
Yo.
that's his wife.
Wait, that's his wife? That's his wife?
That's his wife.
Wait, how do you know that?
They just said it.
Wait, that's his wife?
Watch the footy back. They said it.
Bro, that's his wife.
What? She's a wife.
That's his wife. Oh my god, dude. So,
Hey, damn.
I don't know what just happened. I was just recording, and then she got mad at me. But I guess that's his wife, bro. That's his wife, bro. Oh my.
Come over to you, he said, bro, that's my wife.
I was just recording. I didn't care. I wasn't doing nothing.
I was dying when he said it. I'm like, this motherfucker.
That's your wife?
Yeah, it's my wife. Why would she get drunk? She get stupid.
Why was she trying to hit you?
Asshole, bro.
That's crazy. Your wife trying to hit you. That's gnarly, bro. So yeah, I guess it's.
We stop and talk.
Yeah, yeah. It's your wife.
Crazy ass. Yo.
Why was she mad at me?
She ain't mad. She was mad at me, but I
Oh.
went like this to her when we.
We were wondering why you flicked off that car, but now it makes sense. It was your wife.
Yo, crazy ass motherfucker, boy.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that.
What's your name?
Lars.
Junior. I know him. But yo.
And he kills it too.
Who?
The purple one.
Oh yeah.
His name is Cowboy.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that bike is so flippin' loud, dude. Like, everyone's gonna know where the pack is now, bro, just from listening. They can hear that thing going all through downtown. The one-hander. Something going down over here. We just seen all the cops coming over here. God damn, hella cops. Oh, I got like 12 cops over here, brother.
I'll stop the noise. Yo.
Hey, you will bring the noise too. Everybody
Loving it, guys.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. Loving it, dog.
Yeah, they're trying to leave us. Bye-bye. That was so.
Shit too, man.
Mine's just stock. Nothing's done to it yet.
Nothing's done to it?
Eventually,
Shit,
eventually.
That's still.
Yeah, this is just how it.
Ride it.
Yeah. I try to do a little wheel skis. So.
How much you pay for that now?
5,000. That's how much for. Yeah, that's how much they are. Like 4,000 to 5,000. Depending on where you get it.
Yeah,
But
this dude right here, I don't know what the
he
fuck
builds.
What the fuck he be doing to him?
He builds them. Like this is just like.
I know.
Yeah, this is just
Like
from.
I say, I be running his shit, bro, to test him out.
Yeah, hey,
I know
your
what he
mirror is
doing.
the wrong way.
No, I put it like that. It's
Which way is it supposed to go?
no,
Like,
it's supposed to go this way, like this, so I can see what's coming behind me.
that's
I
dope.
just put it like that.
Okay.